So guys, my name is Father the Storyteller. Now, I want to talk about Azolla. Azolla does not only survive in a pond, it can also survive in a swampy area. So here, now I'm going to show you how those that are in swampy areas look like. But they are the same. The species are the same and they are known species. They work the same as that of the mini, as that of the pond. So why we are taking these to the pond is that due to environmental conservation and most of the plants are getting extinct. So we find a way of how we can preserve Azolla's feeds. And it's also a new technology, and it's being advocated for also for the young farmers. So we are now not looking at ZOLLA as a weed, but we are also looking at a game changer in animals conservation. So now in Ahero irrigation scheme, and in an irrigation scheme there is no need for you to dig a hole. Yeah. So what you need is just to get a seed, then you take it where it was, where you want Azolla to be. So for us here, we used a drainage. We have drainage canals and also the outlet and the inlet. So where the water gets in, you can't use it because it automatically get into the farm. So we normally use it when those were the outlet channels. Yeah. So walk with me. I'm going to harvest one of it today, and Tushafika. I have my jerry can here, and this is Azolla. Azolla is here as you can see it now. Okay, now. So as you can see this one. So this one is from here. I think you can see how it look like. So that's a drain. So drain. So Azolla can work best there. So look at this, how healthy it is, green, and that. So in irrigation you don't need to have a pond, because actually we have so many so many swampy areas, so many swamp sites where you can just go and dispose your Azolla. So the disadvantage here is that when rice is harvested, they normally get dry. I will show you uko nyuma. There's some which has started drying off. So when there is no water, it dies. That's the challenges we are facing. But rice takes about 3 months. That 3 months it can feed your livestock for. Then that is it. And also you can also dry it. For the case of this one, you dried it, then you preserve it for future use. People asked me if the same content will be the same. Yeah, if you dry it Azolla or if you give it freshly, the content is the same. The reason why we dry it is to preserve it for future use, and also to make it less bulky. Yeah, because when it's washed like this, actually it is very heavy. So you just need to carry a lot of bags. No. So drying it will help you. Okay, now let's serve our Azolla. So the disadvantage also is that the one from the drain is not that clean. So you have to go and wash it very well before you give it to your animal. Look at this now. Healthier but dirty. Somehow dirty. So I will show you how I'm using Azolla. I'm not only using Azolla to feed my animals. Actually, Azolla is a game changer, not only for plants, not only for animals, but also for plants. Because we find that Azolla this one is capable of tapping free nitrogen and converting them into nitrate. So when they decompose in your plant, in your farm, they release what is called nitrogen. Remember, they are rich in nitrogen. So it helps you in conservation where you are doing organic vegetable. I'm going to show you I'm using them in vegetable to do it. Thank you.